Every day, you do something incredibly dangerous. You tell a stranger your secret. To prove to your bank that you are you have to send them your password. You have to reveal the secret to prove you know the secret. But the moment you send that password, you no longer control it. If the bank gets hacked, your secret is gone. Therefore, we need a better way. We need a way for me to prove to you with 100% certainty that I know a secret without ever actually giving it to you. It sounds like magic. It sounds like a logical contradiction. But in the world of mathematics, it's just a game of coloring. To understand how this works, we need a puzzle. In computer science, we use graph coloring. The rules are simple. I give you a massive web of interconnected dots. You have 3 markers, red, green, and blue. Your goal is to color every dot so that no 2 connected dots share the same color. If 2 touching dots are of the same color, you lose. For a small graph, this is easy, but as the graph gets bigger, the difficulty explodes. With enough nodes, finding a valid 3 coloring becomes one of the hardest problems in mathematics. Imagine I have a supercomputer and I found the solution to this massive map, this unique pattern of colors. That is my secret. Now, I want to prove to you that I solved it, but I don't want to show you the map because then you'd know the answer. So I cover the map and we play a game. Here is the protocol. You are the verifier. I am the prover. The graph is on the table, covered in a digital blanket. You can't see the colors, therefore you have to challenge me. You pick one single connection, any connection you want, and you say, show me those 2. I lift the cover on just those 2 dots. Let's say one is red, one is blue. They're different. I passed the test, but did I prove anything? Not really. I could just have been lucky. Maybe the whole map is broken and you just happened to pick the one spot that worked. Or maybe I lied and quickly painted these 2 dots right before you looked. Therefore, you have to do it again. But here's the trick, the magic ingredient. Before every round, I shuffle the colors. I switch the colors around so that the relationship stays the same, but the layout looks completely different. This way, you can never piece together the full map. You have zero knowledge of the final solution. We do it again and again and again. If I was lying, if my graph had even one mistake, eventually, statistically, you would catch me. You can never be 100% sure, but after 1,000 rounds, the chance that I'm faking it is smaller than the chance of guessing a winning lottery ticket twice. You are now convinced I have the key, but what do you know about the key? You saw a red and blue, then a green and red, then a blue and green. And since I shuffled the colors every time, you learned nothing. You know that I know the secret, but you don't know the secret. This isn't just a parlor trick. This is the foundation of a new kind of internet. It's how you could prove you're old enough to enter a website without ever uploading your driver's license or revealing your birthday. It's how hospitals could verify that a new treatment cures a disease using patients' data without researchers ever seeing a single private medical record. It means a future where you don't have to give up your identity just to prove who you are. In a world where data is the most valuable resource, zero-knowledge proofs allow us to share the truth without sharing the data.